He gently lays his burdens by and quiets every sound. The heat of day surrounds him as he closes tired eyes, breathing in the stillness where the peaceful moment lies. Resting in the silence while the world keeps moving on, letting all the pressure fade until the weight is gone. He knows the road is waiting, but he takes this time to be wrapped inside a gentle pause that sets his spirit free. The noonday rest, a quiet place where anxious thoughts begin to fade. A simple peace, a healing space to find the strength he lost today. As he sinks into the softness, all the noise begins to clear. Mind unwinds its tangled threads and loosens all its fear. Only in the stepping back can clarity arise. Only in the slowing down can truth begin to rise. The noonday rest, a gift of time where breath becomes a steady line, a moment held in warm embrace to soothe